Installing WordPress on your domain is very simple and it is very easy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on your domain using Softaculous App Installer in your cPanel. So let's get right into the video. Alright, to get started with it, what we need to do is to come down to this search bar here and search for Softaculous. And then we have it, Softaculous App Installer. Click on it. Okay, so you'll be redirected here and you can see WordPress here. It's a popular script and that is why it is listed among the top scripts under Softaculous App Installer. So what you need to do is to come down here and click on install. Alright, now we need to input some basic settings for the installation on our domain. Under the software setup, you need to select the domain, the URL which you want to install WordPress for. In my own case, I'm going to select news, this subdomain. And then I'm going to change the protocol to HTTPS because I have SSL installed on my domain. Now moving on, I'm going to change the site settings here. I'm going to give you something different. Let me just input something. Okay, let me use this. And for the description, let's use everything going on all around the world. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is to change the admin account details this so that our website is going to be secured and we're still going to add a level of security to our login page. So what we need to do right now is to change this username and this password. Let's give it something different. Let's just give it coincidence, and then let's change the password to something different also. I'm just going to input. Alright, now moving on to the admin email, we're going to add an active email here, which is coincidence email, and then we're done. Moving on, the language should be English. Maybe if you understand any other language better, you can change it, but I'm going to leave it as English. And then we're not going to select any plugin here, and also don't touch this advanced option. You don't really need anything. What you just need to do now is to come down here. Okay, you can select theme also, but for the sake of this tutorial, okay, we're just going to leave it here. We're going to use this default 2022 theme from WordPress, and then we're going to come down here and click on install. Alright, so the software is getting installed, so you just have to wait for it. It is super fast and it doesn't take too long. Okay, here we are. It said WordPress has been successfully installed. Let's click on this, and then let's click on this also. I said WordPress has been successfully installed at your URL, and this is the administrative URL. You need to take note of this. So anytime you want to log into the backend of your website, it's going to be your domain name /wp-admin. Do not forget your domain name, your URL /wp-admin. So here is our website. This is the plain look, the 2022 WordPress default theme, and here is our backend. Where we're going to do everything pertaining to our websites, the customization, the designing, adding content, and every other thing related to our website. So that's a very simple step on how to install WordPress with Softaculous App Installer using your cPanel. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.